This is the Polycom VVX 501 IP phone. The VVX 501 is a 12-line business media phone with a touchscreen LCD display. It is powered via power over Ethernet or with optional 48-volt power supply. The VVX 501 includes all the same features as the VVX 500, but also adds improved memory and processing. Included with the VVX 501 is the phone base, handset cord, and line cord. At Atlas Phones, you can purchase the Polycom VVX 501 as new or like new. Our like new phones are refurbished, giving you a great quality product for an even better price. Here at Atlas Phones, we have over 40,000 square feet of telecom inventory and offer same-day shipping on orders placed by 5 p.m. Each of our products include a 1-year warranty with extended warranty options available for up to 5 years. We've been helping people in business since 1998, and we hope this video helped you too. You can give us a call today at 888-567-5194 or visit our website www.atlasphones.com.